If you are not making use of this emergency SOS feature on iPhone, then you are missing out something, because that feature could save your life or the life of your children in times of danger. So what do I mean by that? What I meant is that when you enable this feature on your iPhone, so let's say for example, you find yourself in a position of danger, then you can just tap on your iPhone side buttons, then and send an SOS message to anybody, be it your friends or to any member of your family, to let them know that you are in danger. So that is what that features does. You need to start using it, because this could be a lifesaver in times of emergency or in any dangerous position or situation you find yourself. Okay, so to make use of it, come, let me show you how to enable it on your iPhone. So to do that, go to your settings and tap on emergency SOS. So as you can see here, it is showing you the signs of where to press. When you press it, then the emergency alert will be activated. Here, if you read with me, if you switch on this call with hood, you see if you press and hold the side and volume buttons, the emergency SOS slider appears. If you continue to hold them, a countdown begins and an alert sounds. When the countdown ends, iPhone calls emergency services. You can also switch this one on if you want to. Call with 5 presses. When you press the side button 5 times, then it starts a countdown and sounds an alert when the countdown ends. Then iPhone calls emergency services. So that emergency services might be your cousin, your brother, your parents, or anybody in your family or any of your friends, or can also be police, so that when you are in danger, so this will be activated. Then this will help them to find your last location where you sent the SOS emergency call from. Okay, so all you need to do now is to tap on set up emergency contacts in health, then tap on create medical ID. You can add your photo, add your name, add a date of birth. All these medical conditions of a thing is not required. Okay, come down here and tap on add emergency contacts. So you can tap on here and search for your contact, the person you want to add as an emergency contact, so that whenever something happens to you or whenever you are in danger, if you activate the emergency alert on your iPhone, then your iPhone will call the person and give the person the last location of where you were or where you sent the emergency alert from. So that is it. If you think this is helpful, like and share, drop a comment and follow me for more tips.